Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be ripping into Magic the Gathering Final Fantasy. Let's get right into it. I'll tell you, this one hurts a little bit. If you can't tell, this is one of my favorite sets to ever come out. I'm a big Final Fantasy fan. This one kind of breaks my heart a little bit, but an old seatbelt cutter here. Damn, this would be a little easier. All right, and it's open. Let me gather them up, and we'll get right into it. There we go. I don't know what order they landed in, but let's check them out. I hope I don't get any that I haven't already gotten. I pulled some great cards from this set. Had a lot of fun with it, spent a lot of money. Neo.
Cha-ching!
Ooh, I don't think I had that card. Well, nothing too crazy. No. If you like the video, please hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.